Hello everybody, and here we go again. We're lucky that we can resume these shootings with our favorite recipes. I am your host, Michael Goryachev from Nyam Nyam Cafe here in Cypress, Texas. In today's episode, we're gonna do our famous hummus. And how we do it. We're gonna use, in our recipe, we use fresh garlic, we use the chickpea, we use a little bit of a ground cumin, we use tahini, and a little bit of the lemon juice. So let's do it. And you're gonna need your blender as well. So we're gonna put a little bit of a garlic in there. We're gonna get some chickpea. Okay, so your chickpea can be in it comes in three different ways. You can have them in a paste form, which is good. You can have them in the pea form, and also you can have them in what we'll say on garbanzo beans. So if you cannot find the chickpea, it will say garbanzo beans. So we use already a paste for the convenience. Then we're gonna use tahini with olive oil. So this is our tahini. Okay. And tahini pretty much always comes in a can, in a ready to go form. Should have done this before starting this. So So we got your tahini in there. We got a garlic. Then we're going to need a little bit of a cumin, not too much. Cumin's got a lot of distinctive taste to it. So just a little bit. And we're going to do a little bit of lemon juice. We're going to close everything up and blend it. To do a better consistency, and make sure you get everything blend right in there. Kind of do it like this. You can add a little bit of olive oil to make it a little bit smoother. Big tahini piece is not too much for us. So now, let's see. It looks like the consistency is there. It looks very nice. It looks very, very yummy, actually. Let me try this. It is really good. A little bit spicy too. So, pretty much your hummus is ready. what you do, what we do, you put it in a little container. Put it in a little container. Put a little olive oil on it, and we sprinkle a little bit of a sumac, which is a flour, a natural flour flavor. So here we go. We have our sumac ready. And okay, everybody, now it's the best part of this video is trying what we made. For this, we also baked some fresh Malaysian paratha bread that you can buy in any specialty store like Indian stores or specialty Mediterranean stores. You can buy these, or you can buy at Costco and Sam's and other places. You can buy naan bread, or you can use a pita bread. Worst case scenario, you can use tortilla. So
I thought you were going to say carrots or celery.
No. Actually, you can. I mean, just to dip it. I mean, that's a healthier way to do it. So we just bake the bread. We get our hummus. Do it like this.
I'm going to do this like New York pizza style.
This is good.
Where you put this in and then you fold. Oh, it's real good. You're right. It has a nice level of spice to it.
Mm-hmm. That's a good hummus. That was another presentation from Michael Gorichev from Yum Yum Cafe here in Cyprus. Please follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, on our webpage. Like us, make your comments, ask us for your favorite recipes, how we can show you this, how we can show you that, how we can make your favorite stuff. And also, if you want, we can, if you suggest, we can do you some kind of a cooking classes online for you guys right now. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day. Stay safe.